In today's video, we'll create brush animation in Canva. Click on video, then click on YouTube video. New page opens up. Click on background color. Select any color. Click on text. Click on add a heading. Write some text. Select this text. Select font. Like I selected brush script font and applied on this. Now resize this text. Using these central placeholders, drag from central point, drag it like this, so resize it like this. Now click on share, click on download, then select PNG, select transparent background and then download. Now upload this image. And then click on uploads. Now click on effects, select hollow and thickness reduce to 0. Now click on share, download, PNG, transparent background and then download. Now upload this image. Select background color. Select white color. Click on uploads, then video. Select a video. Set video as background. Reduce page size. Click on elements. Click on uploads. Select this hollow white text. Resize it up to the page size. Now click on animation. Select both. Now rotate it up to -10 degree. Now click on fill text. Now place this text above this and resize it and rotate it gently so that it covers the other text. Click on animate, select brush, click on both. Now click on show element timing, reduce its time. it will work like this. Now you can check, it's done. I hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.